In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add your Instagram link to your Facebook account, and let's get started right away. So this is not that hard, to be honest, but yeah, some people might not know it, so I'm going to show you guys it right now. So first of all, we want to copy our link of our Instagram account, of course. So what we want to do is, instead of going into the app, we want to go to Instagram.com, just like this. And once we're here, maybe it will just take you to the app or something like that. But basically, you want to make sure that you are on the website right here. And this is, my account, of course. You just want to click on the top link, and then just click on the link and click on copy. That is basically how you just copy your account. Then we go to Facebook. Then we go to the three stripes at the bottom right corner, click on your account, scroll a bit down till you see edit public details, scroll a bit down once again till you see links, and you can just click on add right here. And we want to click on social links, so add a social link, and Instagram is selected right here, and we can just paste the link in there right there and click on done, and then click on save. And just like that, we have added our Instagram account to our or linked our Instagram account to our Facebook account, as you can see right there. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.